High-voltage cables often use silicone-based insulation, prized for its flexibility and heat resistance. However, in demanding heavy-duty environments, this material is vulnerable to physical damage. To solve this, a special protective tape was engineered to shield the cable from sharp edges and cuts, all while preserving its essential flexibility. But this advanced protection presents a new challenge. Conventional stripping methods, like cutting and pulling, cannot safely remove the tape without risking critical damage to the delicate silicone insulation beneath. We have developed a groundbreaking solution. Our unique process uses a blunt, heated blade to apply a precise helical cut. This thermal technique cleanly separates the protective tape from the underlying insulation layer without causing any damage. The method has been scientifically tested for consistency and fully validated by the cable manufacturer. This innovative technology is exclusively available in the Berico tape. As a compact benchtop unit, it efficiently handles taped high-voltage cables with cross-sections from 6 to 150 mm squared. The Berico tape features a user-friendly touch display, allowing you to create new programs or switch between existing ones instantly, ensuring seamless processing for a variety of cables. To guarantee the cable is held securely without compression marks or damage, the machine is equipped with our proven 6-tech iris clamping system. For subsequent processing of other insulation layers, we recommend our Bericoax, a semi-automatic machine designed for the multi-step stripping of coaxial and multi-layer cables. With the Berico tape, you can process taped heavy-duty high-voltage cables safely, precisely, and efficiently.